production order accounting in the costing module and in the PP module is one such things which is basically a key ingredient for building any of the costing process, costing report, costing data in our SAP system. So we should be very careful while we are seeing the production order accounting, and all our finance persons, costing persons should be knowing and very clear what the production order accounting is. So production order accounting mein we can see the consumption of material, booking of the conversion cost, goods received on that particular production order, and the difference is basically the settlement of that particular production order and the variance what system is getting calculated. So the production order accounting give you a complete picture what should be consumed, what is actually consumed against the should be consumed, and what is not consumed, why it is not consumed. All these information and answers to the questions we will get in the production order accounting. If the production order accounting is working correctly in your system, then you can say 80 to 90% processes are correct only. Only the fine tunings are required, which we can easily do. So the key concept is production order accounting. So before we proceed or check any of the further things, it is our first priorities or the steps to check the production order accounting. So let me just take you to the one of the report which we can use for the system to check the production order accounting in the standard SAP system is this report. The T code is there inside this, you can check. So what I have given here is my plant, my material code, the period, and the this is the T code for the report. So if I execute this report, and this report is a standard report, you can always execute in your system and check and get the benefit of this. So once you see this, the total actual quantity, the variance, the different types of variance, everything will come once you complete your month end closing. Even if you are not completing your month end closing, no problem, this report can come and give you the balance of the actual cost. So suppose if I take one production order, let's say I go to this particular production order number 1001032 for this particular material, and if I just double click here, then here I can get the total input and output of that particular these things, the production orders. Now if you just take this screen, so here you see these are the input materials should be consumed as per the planned quantity, and this is the planned value of that input material, and this is the actual material consumed. Okay, here you can always understand against that plan why the actual material is not consumed, against this what is the actual consumption, against this what is the actual consumption. So we can easily track the difference or the gap between your actual consumption versus your planned consumption. That is point number one. And if this planned consumption is not there, then it might be a possibility that this actual consumption is going and sitting in a post-processing table that is called COGI. You can always go and check whether the COGI table is getting cleared immediately on a daily basis or not. And this you will get only if you do a correct production order accounting. After that, you can check the activity cost, the goods received, and the settlement value of this particular production order. So this whole information of production order accounting and ensuring the consumption of material, booking the right conversion cost, booking the right variances, and this all things we can get in the production order accounting. Now when we want to evaluate the variances, so there is a steps available to further deep dive on the variances that is coming as 195, 191. So if I just take you to the another screen, the screen is KKS2 to go for the variance. So I'll take that order number 1001032 and take this number, and if I just change the month and if I just run this, so you can see the variance is 195, 191. And in this variance, if I just go to this cost element detail, here I can get the total of that particular process, and here if I just change the layout, I can get the variance category by variance category. So this is something usage variance is coming. The region is very clear because we should have consumed 4 raw materials, but we have consumed only 2 materials. So that's why the usage variance is on a higher side. on this particular screen, if I just keep this variance button, then system will give you the detailed analysis of these particular variances. So whole of this region, formula, everything is there at a granular level, and we can go and deep dive and understand the systems and the variances very detailed, easily from the start, like from the order level, plant level, the variance, till the material, till the production order accounting. And if any major problem is there, we can go up to the order level and deep dive in the variance also. So this is what the benefit of getting the correct production order accounting. This production order accounting will help you for your consumption correctness, for your activity quantity correctness, and your value correctness. So these are the three key benefits of correct production order accounting. If you are not doing it, I request first you focus on the production order accounting and get it corrected. And if you need any help in terms of getting it corrected, we are there to help you. Do not hesitate. Please give us a call in the given number and take our help. Thank you.